Let me ask you something. If you walked into a market today, could you say how much you want? Because numbers are not school. Numbers are life. Across our villages, our homes, our markets, we count food, we count money, and we count the people we love. And today, you will count in Rukiga. Repeat after me very slowly. Emwe, ibiri, ishatu, ina, itano. Again, let's do it together. Emwe, ibiri, ishatu, ina, itano, mukaga, mushanju, munana, mwenda, ikumi. Did you feel that rhythm? Ikumi n'emwe, ikumi n'ibiri, ikumi n'eshatu, ikumi n'ina, ikumi n'itaano, ikumi na mukaaga, ikumi na mushanju, ikumi na munana, ikumi na mwenda, makumi abiri. Say it with confidence. Your language is not small. Now, let's talk about prices and quantities. Let's say you are at the market. Ninyende mneche tano, meaning I want 5 bananas. Nizigura makumi abiri. They cost 20 shillings. Now listen carefully. Mpa ibiri. Give me 2. Repeat the last one. Yes, I'm talking to you. Nyinabana bashatu. I have 3 children. Nindebe nti 10. I see 10 cows. Ninyende kitabo kimwe. I want 1 book. You see, language lives in sentences. Let's test you. How do you say 7 mangoes? Emiyembe mushanju. Is that what you said? Good job. You got it then. You see, our parents counted like this. Our grandparents traded like this. When you speak Rukiga, you are not just counting numbers, you are counting history. I want you to type in the comments, I can count in Rukiga. The next lesson, family and people. Mwebale munonga. Chirabantu yatambwira amahanga hanasasaba